Hello there everyone and welcome back to yet another video. Today we'll play some Sky Factory again. I charged up my jetpack in between episodes, so we got a bit more power right now. Yeah, also I moved this around a bit to make sure that we are ready to... Well, actually this is the only thing that I have done in between episodes. And this is just so that we are ready to... 2 seconds. This is just to make sure that we are ready to set up. I can't talk while crafting. Let's let's make a few more chests. Yeah, but what I want to do in this episode is to set up a lot of the automation for our Yellorium ores. Oh, I want to craft one more. There we go. Now let's craft the hopper. So that is... There we go. That is 8 hoppers. So yeah, a little bit of what I have done in the last episode is to wire our sand up into this pipe and wire our Yellorium into this pipe, which I didn't want to do on cam since it basically required me to fly beneath here and then do a bunch of stuff which I didn't want to do while recording, so I did that in between episodes. You can see with these covers where the pipes are going. But yeah, let's get started. So actually I need a few more pipes. Or covers, I guess. That is not the right ones. So I need my saw, which I got on me. Then I need some cobblestone, which we got right there. So let's request 1 stack of that. I said let's request 1 stack of that. There we go. Now let's make a bit of this. There we go. Okay, so let's see. What we actually want right here is it should end up with a auto hammer, I guess. Yeah. Then it should go like this. This is probably, yeah, this got a bit of stuff inside of it. Doesn't really matter because we can just throw it in where it needs to go when we're done. So this should be a compressor, which again we gotta do this really quickly. And there we go. This also got a bit of stuff. Yeah. So now we should be able to just do this in our own speed. So let's see, this is from sand. So if we put our gravel ore up here, it will get compressed, then hammered, then turned into sand or crushed. Then it will get hammered again and turned into dust. Wait. So this is into dust. Or this is into crushed. Then it will get turned into dust. So this actually does not need to be this high. At least that's how I think it is. Like this only then? Yeah. Then this one actually needs to connect to that one. because then this will compress it and hammer it. Yeah. Well, then this is going to be a lot simpler than I actually thought it would be. So let's get some transfer pipes. Let's request all of them. Like that. And there we go. Now we need to power it all. And the way we're going to power it is from this pipe, I think. Let's... This cannot be elegant wire no matter what we do, I think. Then we would have to do like this and put this all the way around right here. And then we gotta block that off as well. There we go. Now that one probably got a bit of stuff that it shouldn't get. Yeah. So there we go. Let's put that down now. And then let's give this power from this side. We actually don't need that one anymore. So now let's give it some power, for which we need some iron kinesis pipes. I don't think this will be enough. So let's look at iron kinesis pipes. For this we need iron transport. So let's request 3, 4 of those. So there we go. That's half a stack. Now let's request oh, actually already got some of it. So let's request 32 of this. There we go. Let's actually just make everything that we got. So there we go. Now we just need to request a bunch of redstone. And that was perfect. So now let's take this pipe and let's give everything power that needs power. So now this one down here should get a ton of yellorium and aluminium dust, which we then need to use transfer node, which we only got for liquids. So a transfer node. Now can we actually... We need one transfer pipe, which we got right there, and we need one chest. Of course we need chests. I always need chests. Let's craft 4. So there we go. Oh wait, actually, let me craft this one instead, because now I got ender pearls, and this makes it a bit cheaper. So there we go. Now let's grab these again. Let's put this down right here, and there we go. So now this should store all of our dust form stuff. So the reason I did that is because these chests are filling up. Seems like that is not working the way it's supposed to work. Oh, it is taking out aluminium. Okay. So I think that these just need to like do everything that we already have in stock, and then they will be fine. But I still gotta keep an eye out for it, because if it does not keep up, then that is not good. So the next thing that I want to do is actually doing some logistics automation. So let's look at these crafting pipes. This is pretty simple. And let's look at the automatic crafting stations. There we go. These are simple too. So let's start out by making a crafting table. For that we need stone gears. And for stone gears we need wooden gears. So a crafting table again. Wooden gears. Let's craft 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I can't make more. Great. I don't know how many we actually need right now. Let's crafting. So let's craft these. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And let's do the last step. No, I think that we might actually need to do this one first. So that is 1, 2, 3. And then we can craft this. Oh. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Now we need the crafting pipes, I think. So for that we need the crafting pipes, which we need more stone gears for. So yeah, I think that the first thing that I'm going to automate is making stone gears, because it seems like we need a lot of those. So let's get 3 of these as well. And let's put this together with some cobblestone. Oh, fail. So there we go. Let's get ourselves 3 cobblestone or 3 stone gears. Now let's do the crafting pipe. So 1, 2, 3. And there we go. So now let's look at where I actually want to put this up. First I need a unrouted pipe. So we have a pipe going beneath here. Yep. And then if I want to do it like this, that's gonna have to be a basic pipe. So one of these. Let's see if we can pick this up again. Not because it's expensive or anything. So a basic pipe right there. And now I have to fly all the way back. There we go. Now let's do some unrouted ones here. Okay. And now from this position we want to make crafting pipes and logistics crafting tables. So yeah, I think this is how we're going to set this up. Not too sure though. So this first one needs to craft. I already got a bunch of what is that called? I already got a bunch of planks because I make those in the sawmill. Let's do import. There we go. Now I can craft those. Now let's. What other recipes do I need? I need the ones for the wooden gears. So now let's do wooden. No. Gear. Yeah, there we go. So we need that one. Import. And then we need the stone gear. Most likely done. Import. There we go. Now we should be able to just do like this to make crafting. To make crafting pipes, we should be able to just do like this, and then it should just craft the stone gears. Yep, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. So now I got these almost not not activated, but almost in like automated. Now let's do crafting. We need this logistics crafting table. So in order to do this, we need some of these, which I think we'll just get 3 of them for now. 1, 2, 3. And now we also need 3 chests done. Oh, I made 4 by mistake. So now let's do this one. 1, 2, 3. No. Now it's missing cobblestone. Well, I got a bunch of that, just not in the system. Should maybe make that too. So now let's do like this. And let's craft 3 of these. This is so nice, just to automate everything. There we go. Now let's craft 3 of those. Okay, so what I want to automate now is making chests. Most likely done. There we go. Now let's get around here and do import. Now we need to make crafting tables. Crafting tables. So that one. Most likely done. There we go. Import. Now let's get over here and we need to craft these, I guess. Yeah. So most likely done. Yeah. There we go. So now I should be able to just do crafting and then request some of these, even though I don't have them in stock. So let's craft like 12. Oh, I don't have enough wooden planks, so let's craft like 1 more just to make the wooden planks. And actually no, I want to craft 1 more as well, because then I can make automatic crafting pipes as well. So crafting logistics pipes. We need 1, 2, 3. Oh, making more wooden planks. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we go. So now let's place these down as well. And the recipes that I want to learn these is one, this recipe. Yeah. I want to learn them that recipe. I want to learn them how to craft these, which I need some logs for. Log. Wait. Oh, there we go. I was about to say that I shouldn't be in need of logs. Oh well. I'll be right back. There we go, I'm back again. I just had a bit of problems that I had to solve. So these two import. There we go. What more do we need? I don't think we need anything else right now. We got the recipes for let me just throw all of this in here. So we got the recipes for pipe, this one, crafting pipe, so we can just request one of those, and we can request a crafting table thing. And now those two things should be over here crafting, and then they come back. There we go. Nice. So now I can auto crafting. Nice. Now, what else do I want to auto craft? Right now I do actually want to auto craft some satellite cables, which are really simple as well. So let's do like that. That's our satellite cable, then do import. Thought that required a bit more. Let's see, the recipe for this is a bit harder to do. Yeah. Let me just look into this one. Yeah, we got a bit more wood in there. Let's put all of that in there. So, I think I might want to do a satellite pipe, because what I want to do in the next episode is to work on something from immersive engineering. It's an a metal press. Let me just quickly. Yeah, it's this. So a metal press, and we can't look up how to actually make that. So is there an immersive engineering book? No. Doesn't seem like it. Oh well, can I go into achievements and see it? Immersive engineering. Open the engineer's manual. Well, manual. Oh, there is a book. So yeah, we should be able to craft that. Pretty simple. It's just one of these. And it's, oops, one book. Which I don't want to craft like that, but I actually want to craft it like that. Yeah, I need paper for that. So let me just request all of this. There we go, that's all of our sugarcane. Now let's request one book. There we go. Let's make a lever. And let's make the book. There you go, engineer's book. A manual. Oh, this book is so small. What happened? So, construction, I guess. And then we're going to look at the multi-block structures. No, we want to look at the middle press. Where's the middle press? There it is. So at the top, oh, wait. Yeah, there we go. A heavy engineering block is what I need. So, to make a heavy engineering block, we need some of this, which should be pretty simple. So, two of those actually. Let me do like that, and then one more. Then we need some pistons, which I'm going to make auto crafting for, since I'm probably going to need a ton of pistons. I don't know when or why, or things like that, but at some point I think we're going to need a lot of pistons, just in the long run. So that should be everything. This is a heavy engineering block, yeah, that is what we need. So we need one of these. Now we're waiting for it to craft the pistons. There we go. Some heavy engineering blocks. Then we need some iron scaffolding. Iron scaffolding. For which we need iron item casing thing. So I think we're going to need a lot of iron to make this. So I know that we need 10 of that for this. Oh wait, this is actually... I don't think this is the right blocks. We need steel scaffolding. Oh, that makes more sense. Steel scaffolding. So it's this one that we need, which is just a lot of steel. So we need some steel ingots. There we go. Now we need to, in order to make these into steel rods, this is the exact same output. So let's just do like that. And now let's craft these. Oh, we already got those. This is what we need. And we actually need to craft that twice, so guess it was okay. There we go. Now let's get some conveyor belts. So for that we need more leather. Chaos, it's your time to shine. Um, Please just give me 2 pieces of leather. Oh yes, 3 pieces. Nice. So now we should be able to just do like this, then one of those. Yep, there we go. Nice. Now we need 1 piston, 1 crest, and while we wait for that, let's set this up. So we need 3 of these, then we need to put some conveyor belts in there, and these are really hard to get off. Then on top of this, we need to put down our heavy engineering block. There we go. Now we need a piston, which should be crafted by now. And I know that time is running out, but I just quickly want to set up this machine. No. Let's do like this then. Oh, I'm almost running out of power. That was probably a bad idea when I'm so close to being out of power. But yeah, let's just... So the last thing that I need is my engineer's hammer. Let's right click this. No. 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 How do I do this? So, multi-block. Construction, multi-block. Yeah. Click the piston with an engineer's hammer. Well, guess we just have to click this. Oh, there we go. And this requires power. Oh no. Oh well, I'm going to figure this out in the next episode. And until then, have a nice one. Bye!